Can we do the thing now where we smash it?
Can we? Godzilla?
No, just joking.
I want to do it. Hi, my name's Tandia. I'm an interior architecture student at UNSW.
And hi, my name's Alanya. I'm a lecturer in interior architecture at UNSW. And today we are building this Lego set.
To the best of our ability.
The City of Sydney. It says 12 plus, I reckon we can do it. So we've got Sydney Tower, Harbour Bridge, Opera House,
Deutsche
Bank building, all the key icons. I always thought it was funny the different things that people think that Opera House was meant to be shaped like.
I heard once that someone said he was like he was stuck and he couldn't figure out the design, and he'd been eating oranges and he just started like arranging the peels on his plate and was like, voila, I've done it.
It feels like a rumour that would just keep going. I like that one. So,
well, yeah, one of them.
One of those. I feel like we need one of those. Oh no, wrong one. One of these.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, wait. That's cool. It's the Opera House is the youngest cultural site to be included in the World Heritage List.
And one of the only cultural sites to be listed during the lifetime of its architect. That would have been an awesome feeling.
I hope the actual Opera House is more structurally sound than this.
Voila.
Done it.
I'm actually really proud of this. Maybe we'll do the Harbour Bridge now.
Yeah, nice one.
I think it's amazing the foresight they had when they designed the Harbour Bridge to think to build that many lanes.
Yeah.
I remember reading somewhere that at the start they just had keep left or keep right signs on the Harbour Bridge because there was almost no traffic anyway, so there was no need for lanes, which is just so hard to imagine in the traffic now. Oh.
Voila.
What are these little guys? What do they do?
I think I'm looking at the Spanish instructions, that's not going to help. Apparently the Harbour Bridge is painted grey because it was the only colour they could find enough paint of. So it just took so many.
Imagine if only
so much paint.
The paint they could find was red or something, and then it just ended up red. Where are the pylons?
Yeah, the pylons. They look like they hold the bridge up, don't they? But they're actually not structural.
Oh, really?
They're not a part of what, supports the bridge structure there.
Oh, yeah. They look so strong.
Sure.
That is so satisfying. Look at that.
This building's really interesting because in the centre it's this huge atrium and it's hollow in the middle.
Really?
And that's where the lifts go up and down.
Oh, okay.
But the lifts were going too fast when they first opened the building and people kept getting dizzy, so they had to slow them down because it's
like zooming up the lift.
Yeah. I'll leave you to try this one now. Up the top there.
Boom.
Which is not actually where it
does not sit here in Sydney Harbour.
That is not where it goes.
No, it's just over here somewhere.
Kids, this is not to scale.
Next is Sydney Tower.
Sydney Tower.
50 cables stabilise the tower. And if the strands of these cables were laid end to end, they would reach from Sydney to New Zealand.
Gosh.
What?
Is there anything in particular that made you want to study design?
For me, it was before I really understood what architecture and interior architecture was. I think I was really hypersensitive to how I felt in a space and how some spaces I didn't feel comfortable in and some I did. And then I started to understand, it's because it's really dark in here or the ceiling's too low, I feel uncomfortable. And that's what kind of made me start to look into that more in my own time. And then I discovered interior architecture and architecture.
Yeah, I definitely cannot talk and build Lego at the same time.
No, it's hard, isn't it?
It's really... I'd always tell people to just look up when you're walking around, especially when you're walking around the city and walking around places, to just notice where you are and think about how you feel when you're in those spaces and how that might have been created. But I think sometimes people feel like they have to already know how to design before they start studying here, but that's not what it's about. It's just about coming with open mind, learn new things.
Come and be creative.
Yeah, exactly. Would you like to do the honours?
Oh, thank you.
Woo! Nice.
Nice. How long did that take us?
I want to build the other bits now.
Yeah, I know. There's so much more to be built.
We'll come back next week.
Yeah.
Oh, can we do the thing now where we smash it?
Can we? Godzilla?
No, just joking.